Hi there, I'm Rina and I want to explain to you the little parts of footwork in flamenco. So in flamenco, you know, there's different elements to the dance, to the baile. There's like marcaje, which would be marking, right? And another part would be taconeo, which would be all the footwork. And with footwork, there are, you want to think of it as the alphabet, like little pieces of footwork technique of taconeo. It's just like the alphabet. And so in the alphabet forms words, right? And so within that alphabet, like with footwork, you create footwork patterns. And then when you create those footwork patterns together, it becomes an escobilla, a whole footwork section. So just like in regular speech, you have an alphabet, you have words, and then you bring those words together to create a sentence. So the same thing that happens in flamenco. So what you'll want to show you right now are just the little pieces of footwork technique, or those little elements, those little alphabet elements that comprise the words or the footwork patterns together, so that you can create flamenco sentences, or basic flamenco footwork, escobillas, in dancing. So let's begin. Now the different parts of the footwork in general, like the alphabet of footwork, we have planta, which is the ball. Just the ball, and it's coming from behind, so you're not lifting the knee. You are just coming from behind, not lifting the knee, because you will break your knee and you'll hurt yourself, right? So it comes from behind. That's planta. And then we have tacón, which is the heel. And you want to make sure that you are lifting that heel properly and not lifting up your whole foot. It's just the ball of the foot is firmly planted, and you just lift up that heel, and you're not going up onto releve while you're doing it. You bend those knees. Okay, that's tacón. Then we have golpe, which is the flat foot. And also again, that you want to come from behind. So if you lift the knee to get that sound, it just doesn't work. You need to come from behind. Come from behind. Abs engaged, come from behind. So that's the golpe, right? So we have planta, tacón, golpe. Two other things would be the toe in the front and the heel in the front, which is talón. And usually you would have it a bounce. Bounce, bounce. Okay, so that's talón. And then the last one is punta, the point. And that's the point of the toe in the back. Not a planta, but the point. Punta. Okay, and so those are the general little segments of all your footwork. We have planta, tacón, golpe, talón, punta. And everything else, everything stems from those little segments of footwork right there. So then you can just piece them together and create all kinds of footwork. All right, let's begin.